one here.
Okay, good.
Like, hello.
Okay.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Okay, scarf, we're gonna have to wrap around. Okay, Christmas Eve morning, woke up to 2 inches of snow. The boiler is currently at 180 with the reaction chamber up to almost 900. That, my friends, is a clean burn. Very little emissions coming out, and I'm saying this is going to be burning at close to 100% efficiency. Hi guys, it's Ed with Off the Trails Outdoors. I wanted to give you an update on my wood boiler. This spring and summer I had to clean this unit out. I wasn't cleaning it like I should be properly, so I had to take all the guts on the inside out. There's a back heat exchanger plate. I had to get through that, clean the chains, and I cleaned everything, chipped out creosote, and she's running like a brand new unit now. So with this, you have to keep up with the cleaning. You have to make sure clean the ash out, use seasoned firewood, and not let creosote build up. So I'm going to show you now what a perfect burn looks like after feeding it last night about, I'm going to say 10 o'clock, and now it's about 10 a.m. in the morning. So as you can see there, that's a perfect burn bed. In terms of, there's lots of coals left over from last night, very hot coals. And what I'll do next is I'm going to take my poker and then go in there and stir up some of the ashes and coals. So next I'm going to show you how much wood I've been burning on average. Today's about 35, 36 degrees. It's a little warmer. I am going to show you, by using this wheelbarrow, how much wood I go through in a 12-hour burn. One of the things I don't like about my setup, I really love the roof, and it's great to have on days like today when it's snowy, rainy. There's moisture coming down, but this smoke will sometimes trap under the roof, and it will blow its way out, but there are times where it holds in the smoke from opening the door, and it temporarily is a little hazy in here, but other than that, it's a great setup. And then something else you want to make sure you do, and I do this every other day, is I come in here with my poker and I shake the heat exchanger chains up. I've been doing this, I'm going to say, every other day, just to make sure everything's cleaned out. You can get in huge trouble in terms of clogging if you don't shake these regularly. This is an older model, it's a 17 model, And on the newer models, there's a access door to get in here and clean the heat exchangers. But with this first gen model, I got to make sure those chains are broken up just to make sure that everything is freed up, or all the smoke can come up in and out the chimney. So here's the reaction chamber. I do clean this out regularly, so there's not much ash in there now. And as you can see, there's coals coming down because it is going through a heating cycle. So I got coals in the back that I've been brushing around, but I'm gonna also right now clean out that back heat exchanger. So I do have this load of poles that I got a couple months ago, and they are mostly cherry, oak, and some maple. As you can see, they're really nice sized in terms of I'll cut them 16 inches long, and then I'll split them either in half or in quarters. But it's an easy, I think I spent maybe 900 to 1,000 on this load. And I'll also supplement some logs from my woods as well that fall down or that are dead, and that's what I'll use for the following year's wood supply. So I'll probably get at this here in the coming days, and especially if it's warmer here. I think the next week should be 50 degrees here in western Pennsylvania, so it'll be nice to get on cutting these up. So this, I probably have gone through about 2 cords of wood. I'm gonna guess 2 to 3 cords from where my shop vac is back to that pile. And this is mainly my extra wood left over from last year, and this is probably at 18 to 20% moisture content. The wood in the front, the wood to the left of it is seasoned probably right around 20%. And I've got a nice supply left. If you look in the back there, so I got 3/4 of a shed full still, and we're almost at the first of the year. So that's a good thing to have. Extra seasoned firewood laying around, and I'll have some, and I'll have a good jump on next year, just having that wood here. So again, I wanted to just kind of give you guys a heads up and an update on the wood boiler this year after the clean out. So it's been running like a brand new machine, very happy with it. My advice to anybody who's got a gasser or a high efficiency burner is just keep up on the cleanup, make sure things are cleaned out, and that you use seasoned firewood, because if you don't, it's going to plug up quicker than anything you've ever imagined. So, so it is Christmas Eve. So I just want to wish everybody Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If you haven't done so, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. I've got lots in store for you for the new year, so stay tuned, and I will see you on the next video. Take care, guys. All right, you push it in. Ready? All right, there's his nose.
And then can you take me up to the eye?
Well, we got to do the
yeah, but we need to do the coal.
Okay, let's push the pipe in where his mouth is. There you go. Whoa, stop.
Yeah, it's like Frosty.
Yep. All right.
Can you pick me up into the
Oh,
eye?
I think we do the buttons like this, right?
Yeah, we'll do the buttons. Can I do it since I reach it?
Yep. In a straight line. Push it in. Good. Let's do one above it. It's in a straight line. Now tap it in. Okay, one below it. You're actually pretty good at this. Here, like right here, I'll put a dot. Okay. Alright, eyes in. Tap it in straight. Okay, here's the other one. Right, see what, there it is. Tap in. Okay. Alright. I'll do the mouth, okay?
And then what am I supposed to do?
And then this should be about it.
Oh. Aww.
Do we have a scarf over there and a hat?
Oh yeah, we have a scarf and a hat. I'll do one here.
Okay, good.
And one. Like, hello. Nice
Okay.
to meet you, ma'am. Can I
Okay, scarf, we're gonna have to wrap around. Take it around.
And then I'll do a trasher hat. Oh, what's the hat so cute?